How to redeem your YouTube premium code. If any day any of you are a YouTube user and you would like to YouTube your very kind of, or you would like to redeem your various kind of YouTube premium redeem code, but you do not know how to do that, just do the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch any of the Google Chrome application or any of the browser on your mobile device. You can tap on the option of the Google Chrome, and after that, you can go to the first option of the search there. And after that, in the search icon, you have to search youtube.com/redeem. So after you tap on youtube.com/redeem, you have to search it, and after you search it, it will take you to an interface like this. Now here you can see the interface like this where you can redeem your code. Now if you have any of the premium code there, you can tap on the very code on the option of redeem your code, and when you enter it, you have to go to the option of the next then, and after that you can see that your very problem or any of the issues that you're facing, or if you would like to just redeem your YouTube premium code, it will be done. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.